say?
Pakhala.
Yes. And this is aloo bharta.
Aloo pota.
Bharta. Yes.
Prota.
Aloo bharta. And this is bhaja.
Pota.
Bhaja. Yes. Then you have to say in Odia. Odia bhari badhiya.
Odia, Harry
Very
Odia.
honest. But you pronounced very well. Hello. Hi. Come. Everyone, जय जगन्नाथ मो अनुमिता आपण समस्त को पुणी थरे वेलकम करछि मो ब्लॉग रे. सो आज रो ब्लॉग रे आपण माने देखिबे जने विदेशीनी जे कि मोर फ्रेंड हेछंती एठी. सो से जने ब्रिटिश से आम घर को आस्थिले मु तांको ओडिया पखाळ पूरा ऑथेंटिक ओडिया पखाळ खोइछि. सेतरे कोन कोन होउछि माने से खाइ कि तांकर रिएक्शन कोन अछि ओडिया पखाळ भर्ता आउ हमर भजा वेजिटेबल भजा म तांको पई बनेइथिली. केमती केमती खाइले तांको कोन लागिला से कोन कोन कॉम्प्लीमेंट देले से सब विषय रे देखिया पई हेले ब्लॉग टी को आपन को पूरा देखिया पड़ियो. देखंतु एन्जॉय करंतु आ केमती लागिला जणे याको बिल्कुल भूलिबेनी. खाला रेडी ही गला एबे हबो आलू भर्ता पई पियाज भाजुछि तापरे भर्ता बनेबी. So happy that you made it.
I can't resist your good cooking.
Come.
Pakhala.
Yes, water rice. This is smashed potato, kind of similar to that. We say aloo bharta. Aloo bharta.
Aloo pota.
Yes. And this is fries, some vegetable fries. But in Odia we say bhaja.
Pota.
Yes.
That looks delicious. Your rice looks really good. When you put the cod in, do you mix the cod? Like
Yes. I added some oil in the pan, and after that I added some cumin and some green chili and some cilantro, coriander leaves. That's it. Just added and some what garlic cloves as well.
Oh yeah.
You love that flavor, I know.
Yes.
Something in Odisha, in everyone's place, you will find this.
Right.
In everyone's place.
It really
You
will
just
take
stay
me
here,
forever.
don't
I
go
will.
anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere.
With some pickles. You like pickles?
Yeah. I love the spices. There's a good cumin in there.
So that day you told Joy Jagannath, I was not being able to make you understand in detail. Joy Jagannath is someone whom we pray, like you say Jesus, Odisha, especially in Odisha, we say Jagannath. So whenever we are saying Joy Jagannath, that means we are giving good wishes to other people. Yes. You have to finish all.
No. Your husband needs some tonight too, you know. Saves you cooking tonight.
Yes. I'll have to make some chapati for him because he won't have anything of rice in the dinner. So I have to cook something else for him.
Okay.
And especially when it's biryani, then he can have. The rice comes with biryani. Do you know? Have you tried? Yes. So yesterday also Sudhanshu made some chicken biryani. That was really amazing. But someday we will ask you to come in the night time. Then biryani will be there. But yes. So if that is not biryani, then Sudhanshu will not touch the rice in the night. No.
All right.
He is very health conscious. He will say, no, if I will have, then I'll put on some weight. I don't want. See you. You are thinking about putting on.
Is he putting on weight too? I'll try it like you do. Why shouldn't I?
Okay. And this is how we usually have, but I
So
thought
how do you do that? Just like this?
just like this. No. After rice, you just have some rice.
All right.
Have some rice. Yes. Wow. Get some potato. Have and have this. This fry also have after that.
Oh, you do a little bit of each.
And after that, you can have some pickles also. You like the taste?
Yes.
This is pakhala.
Pakhala.
No, this is pakhala. We have this pakhala with fried fish, with this kind of fish. No gravy will be good with this. That's why we just make it without spicy.
31st of December. Did you go anywhere?
Yes, 31st we went a Bollywood night. It was here only. Bollywood means you know, Indian songs and Indian movies are Bollywood. So we went there and every song were Bollywood, so we know that it was really amazing.
Oh, good.
We related to that. And then for second my birthday, we went to Brayhead.
Oh, wow.
Yes. We had a lunch there, but it was not good. We tried some stock and still, if you know that, and that's an American cuisine, if I am not wrong. Some pancake and some smoked salmon.
Oh, right. Yeah.
That was
not nice.
No, I didn't like that. Then we came back and we had a plan for Avatar movie. It was really good for 3 hours, and it was a sequel of that. You didn't like?
No, 3 hours sitting a movie.
View we went, and then we had Indian cuisine, that Dilli Darbar or Namaste by Dilli Darbar.
Okay.
That's an Indian name. We went there. The food was really nice for dinner.
Good.
That way it went.
Was there any fireworks in Glasgow on the 31st of December? Don't think there was.
Yes,
was there?
but not so huge like others. I think some people were doing privately. I don't think that the government has done something.
Right. Okay. I went to bed.
What should I give?
Yeah, I did
This vegetable fry.
That's enough. Thank you. That's fine. Honest, it's fine. Thank you. I will be rolling up the hill.
Then Odia cuisine is your favorite right now?
Oh, it's delicious. There's a nice Indian restaurant in up towards Shoreland, but it's just vegan. Oh, do you know, I can't remember the name of it.
Where is that?
If you go up Pollockshaw Road, you know where Peter's flat is.
Oh.
And instead of going into Peter's Road, just keep going towards Shoreland.
Okay.
There is a restaurant on the left-hand side. Oh, jeez, what is it called?
I don't.
I can't think of the name. I would have to ask Peter. And but it's a vegan one.
Have you tried there?
I've tried it, and it really is nice, and it's very. You go there and there's just benches, and you just order like you do. But it's, well, I think it's really nice. I didn't know the name.
That must be very different for you. That's why I don't remember.
I'm not good with names at the best of times. And it's probably, well, we always call it Indian food. I didn't realize there was that many different regions that do all sorts of different foods. You know, because here you say Indian foods and you think of like biryani or Hindi, or
Hindi is a common language in India. Maximum people can understand and speak Hindi.
Yeah, so I think I have to learn a lot about India. I really don't know a lot about it.
But still, you have got so many things about India, I think.
Well, I've learned quite a lot from you. You know, the customs, which is probably just from your...
It's a different world.
It is a different world. Completely different. Completely different.
I can give you some more rice.
I don't know if I can eat anymore. Let me finish
Okay,
this.
okay, fine.
Don't. This is just delicious.
And in the end, you have to drink this.
Okay. I love this eating with your fingers. That's great.
Whenever we are having something in the restaurant, only then we use spoon. Otherwise, our fingers are enough.
Yeah, I think it's great. Saves a lot of washing up. Anything. And it's probably just something Western. They started, you know.
Yes. My father told that if you are not coming, then we can't make anything. That's why whenever you guys are coming, then we will do that event.
Good.
Then he postponed to maybe May or June. I don't know. It's not finalized yet, but somehow it will be postponed.
Oh, well, that will be good.
Yeah.
Well, you have to be there. That would be really nice.
Yes. Should I give you some more rice?
No, thank you. Honest, it's absolutely delicious, and I am just full, which is just perfect.
So, did you like the food?
Oh, it was absolutely delicious.
Then you have to say in Odia. Odia bhari badhiya.
Odia hari oria.
Odia bhari.
Odia pari
Badhiya.
Maria.
Yeah, you did it. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you for inviting me. It was absolutely delicious.
Oh,
thank you.
My pleasure.